Hello, I'm Scott Brown, President and Dean of New England Law Boston. Our law school has a unique history. We were founded as Portia Law, the first law school for women. The heart of our mission has always been about opening doors to legal education. Today, one of our core values is expanding access to the legal profession and promoting diversity in our law school, with a particular focus on qualified members of groups that have suffered discrimination. Our student body includes about 30% students of color. It is more than 60% female. It includes many first-generation students just like me. As we observe Black History Month this year, I would like to recognize some of the groundbreaking individuals from the New England law community. Portia graduate Blanche Braxton from the class of 1921 was the first African-American woman to be admitted to the Massachusetts bar. Dorothy Crockett, a 1931 graduate, was the first Black woman and the 7th overall to practice in Rhode Island. And after serving his country in World War II, the Honorable Judge Darrell Outlaw went on to earn his undergraduate degree from Howard University and a master's from Suffolk University before earning his law degree in 1961 from New England Law. Judge Outlaw later served as a trustee of New England Law for 25 years and in 2007 was named our first African-American president of the school. Virgil Hawkins, a Black man who spent decades attempting to desegregate the University of Florida Law School, earned his JD at our law school. He ultimately paved the way for future African-American students to attend the University of Florida. Judge Joyce London Alexander Ford, class of '72, is the first African-American woman Chief Justice of any Massachusetts court. These are just a few of our impressive graduates. We're also invested in long-standing initiatives like our Charles Hamilton Houston Enrichment Program, which addresses racial bias, promotes ethnic and cultural law school diversity, and provides a supportive community for students of color. Since 1990, this program has been devoted to ensuring that we can find common ground, build relationships, and learn from all of our differences. We find this even more important than ever during these very, very challenging times. Listen, I realize that we need to continually strive to do better. In 2020, the school launched a new Diversity and Inclusion Task Force to address the justified reactions to the horrific events that have transpired over the last year, from the killing of George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, Ahmaud Arbery, and others, not to say anything about COVID-19 and what that's doing to us. The work of this task force remains a top priority and will be an ongoing effort. In my first month, actually the first week at New England Law, we held implicit bias training for all staff and faculty, launched a speaker series to feature alumni from diverse backgrounds, and worked diligently to determine appropriate next steps to continue combating systemic racism in our school and our community. Thank you for listening, and let's all celebrate Black History Month together. Thank you.